Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be, you know what? I almost said a review, but it's actually just going to be a lookbook. I'm just going to show you guys multiple styles that you can achieve with today's unit. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this Outre Converti-cap in the style Slaycation, and I have her in the color S1B/30. I really loved how this unit looked on this model. The texture was just literally dripping through this entire advertisement here, so I was like, I gotta try her. So I've already did multiple styles. I did 4 styles for you guys today. Let me just say that the texture of this unit is absolutely amazing. Love the styles that it has, and you can even do more than what I'm going to show you, but I just want to show you some of the basic looks that you could achieve with it. So in that case, if you guys are interested in seeing that, then make sure you continue to watch, and of course subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload. And of course follow me on my other socials. They'll be here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into the video.
I take these journeys, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip perp to clear my head since you've been gone. These knees, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Spaced out, staring at the ceiling, talking to my demons, asking for a reason why I feel the way I'm feeling. If I'm the one who cheated on the sex without no meaning, I like to keep her heart safe, but mine stop beating. Now I try so hard to stay medicated, so I don't have to face the wrong I've done. I take these earnings, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone. Anxiety, it keeps me on the edge, close to jumping off this ledge. I sip her to clear my head since you've been gone. These endings, they tear my system down. Tried so hard to keep you out. I went crazy by myself, crying alone.
Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.